you don't ever hold your phone. You got to see different things. Update Instagram, update Facebook. You know, so I hold my phone one day now see update Bible. I say, wait till Solomon don't do again. Wait till happen afresh, where would update for? Wait till Solomon do new. Because to be honest, that Solomon, unless the story no clear, I person will get 1,000 women, only 3 children. How? No baby planning, no, it's only one. No, that story, I see they look up. In fact, there are many things in the Bible where they look, say, they don't really document. Like that arrest where they arrest Jesus, he showed me die. Say they don't arrest Jesus several other times before they kill him. Because now carpenter, you don't delay person work. Now Papa just said, go call someone and leave, and he just say they preach, they work, no time. Women own it, now they own everything. Now that's why it makes me laugh when they say it's a man's world. The reason why women allow that thing they fly, now because they favor them, now but women get the word though. Like normally, check the scenario as a man. FMV is a married man, he's my friend. You know if you just wake up out of boredom, nothing happened, don't go ask your wife, are you cheating on me? From where? She don't start crying. Now you go begin apologize. Your wife is just day bored. Nothing they go on, no. You just say, babe, my instinct does not lie. Once women don't bring instinct, but I don't lose the case. Instinct now from above.